What's up guys, Mechanical here. We are showing you guys how to replace the front snub mount in an Audi B7. I highly recommend going to the polyurethane one from these little foam ones, and I'll show you down here below. This video is going to be super short. I'm going to show you how to take this off and reinstall it very quickly. Let's jump into it. So get your car lifted up here and the underskirt taken off. These are all 6mm hex heads, and I already broke these free, and then I decided to make a video. Doesn't get much easier than that, folks. So that's where the snub mount goes in. Now this one's all garbage and ugly, and the foam is just very brittle. Even if you get a brand new foam one, it is still foam. This is polyurethane. It's a lot stronger. So we're gonna pop this off, put this on, reinstall this. The mount just slides right off. Again, just to show you, super squishy. You can't even squeeze this thing, barely anything. So these are garbage, but this is what the factory recommends. If you buy an OEM one, it will come like this. There is a link in the description below for this one. It's a little bit more, but you'll never have to replace it again. Much more sturdy, way better. All right, so I actually use a little bit of silicone lubricant and a rubber mallet, because you want to get it all the way on there. You want to smack it past that little bridge part and hold it on. Now to install this, you will have to remove the other piece. You'll have to remove this piece just because it's bigger. This doesn't like quite want to fit in there, so we're going to move it and install it at once. Super easy to take off. So we'll just install this together. All right, so just kind of set it inside. You can push it through a little bit, and then kind of just move this over. If I can finagle it, I can finagle one hand, left-handed. Boom, it's on there. So yeah, now just throw the bolts back on there, and you're good to go. So usually I do this side first to make sure there's like tension on here. If not, you can kind of like adjust this up and down. You can push up a little bit, but it really doesn't matter. Just tighten those up, it'll be fine. All right, I'll torque those down, but that's the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. Drop a like if this helped you. And remember, this is in the description below. It's just through Amazon, super quick, easy delivery. Thank you.